In the vast, silent expanse of the Arctic, where the wind sculpts the snow into endless white dunes, a story of survival and endurance unfolds. This is the realm of the reindeer, a creature forged by the ice and cold, a true icon of the frozen north. Known as caribou in North America, reindeer are masters of this unforgiving landscape. Their very existence is a testament to adaptation. A dense two-layered coat traps air, creating an insulating barrier against sub-zero temperatures. Their specialized noses warm the frigid air before it reaches their lungs, and their large splayed hooves act like snowshoes, providing grip on ice and soft snow. These unique hooves are also powerful tools, used to dig through the frozen ground to find food. For millennia, these remarkable animals have roamed the tundra and boreal forests of the northern hemisphere, their lives intricately woven into the rhythm of the seasons. Their journey is one of perpetual motion, a cycle of migration, reproduction, and resilience against the odds. As the brief Arctic summer fades and autumn paints the tundra in hues of gold and crimson, a dramatic change sweeps through the reindeer herds. This is the time of the rut, the annual mating season. The air, once quiet, now crackles with tension and fills with the guttural calls of dominant males, known as bulls. Fueled by a surge of hormones, these bulls become formidable contenders. Their impressive antlers, which have been growing all summer under a velvety sheath, are now polished bone, ready for battle. The clash of antlers echoes across the landscape. Bulls lock horns in spectacular displays of strength and stamina, pushing and shoving in a ritualized combat for supremacy. These fights are rarely fatal, but are crucial in establishing a hierarchy. Only the strongest, most dominant bulls will earn the right to mate, ensuring that their powerful genes are passed on to the next generation. A victorious bull will gather a harem of females, or cows, jealously guarding them from rivals. His courtship is a persistent, watchful dance, as he tests the air for a receptive mate. During this intense period, a dominant bull will barely eat, dedicating all his energy to defending his position and ensuring the continuation of his lineage. Following the autumn rut, a quiet miracle begins. For the next 7.5 months, the pregnant cows carry the future of the herd within them. They navigate the long, dark Arctic winter, their bodies nurturing the growing life. Their survival, and that of their unborn calves, depends on finding enough food beneath the snow. They use their keen sense of smell and powerful hooves to uncover pockets of lichen, often called reindeer moss, their primary winter sustenance. It's a challenging time, a test of endurance for both mother and child. When spring finally arrives, melting the snow and breathing life back into the frozen land, it signals the time for birth. The pregnant cows seek out secluded, safer areas, often returning to the same calving grounds their ancestors used for centuries. Here, away from the main herd and the watchful eyes of predators, they give birth. A single calf is the norm, born into a world of both beauty and peril. The newborn is a marvel of nature. Within just an hour of birth, it can stand on its long, wobbly legs. And within a few hours, it can run, a crucial skill for survival in a land of wolves and bears. The bond between a mother and her calf is immediate and profound. She nurses her young with incredibly rich milk, high in fat, which helps the calf to grow quickly and build up a protective layer of fat. She is fiercely protective, using her own antlers which, unlike the males, they keep through the winter to defend her offspring. The first few weeks are the most vulnerable. The calf must learn to recognize its mother's unique scent and call amidst the hundreds of others in the growing nursery herds. This early connection is its lifeline, its guide through the vast and intimidating Arctic world. The life of a reindeer is one of constant movement, dictated by the relentless search for food. They are herbivores, with a diet that changes with the seasons. In winter, their world is a blanket of white, and their survival depends on their ability to find and dig for lichens and dried sedges buried beneath the snow. As spring and summer return, the landscape transforms into a lush buffet. The herds migrate to fresh pastures, feasting on a rich variety of grasses, herbs, mosses, and the tender leaves of willow and birch trees. This seasonal migration is one of the planet's great natural spectacles. Vast herds, sometimes numbering in the tens of thousands, move as a single, flowing entity across hundreds, even thousands of kilometers. They traverse frozen rivers, climb rugged mountains, and cross wide-open plains. This epic journey is not just about finding food. It asks an instinctual drive to escape the swarms of biting insects that plague the summer tundra and to reach the traditional calving grounds, following ancient invisible trails passed down through generations. These migrations are a vital rhythm of the Arctic, shaping the ecosystem as they move, dispersing seeds and fertilizing the soil. Reindeer are a keystone species, playing a crucial role in the health and balance of the Arctic ecosystem. As major grazers, they influence plant life across the tundra, preventing any single species from dominating, and thus promoting biodiversity. Their constant movement churns the soil, aiding in nutrient cycling. They are also a vital food source for predators like wolves, brown bears, and golden eagles, forming a critical link in the food web. A reindeer carcass can sustain numerous scavengers, from wolverines to Arctic foxes, ensuring that nothing goes to waste in this lean environment. For thousands of years, reindeer have also shared a deep, symbiotic relationship with humans. Indigenous peoples of the Arctic, such as the Sami in Europe, and various groups in Siberia and North America, have built their cultures around the reindeer. These animals provide not just food and clothing, but also tools from their bones and antlers, and even transportation. This connection is one of deep respect and codependence, a partnership that has allowed humans to thrive in one of the world's most extreme climates. The reindeer is more than just an animal. It is a cultural and spiritual icon, a symbol of life itself. The story of the reindeer is a powerful saga of resilience. From the violent clash of antlers in the autumn rut to the gentle nurturing of a newborn calf in the spring, their life is a continuous cycle of struggle and triumph. They face relentless challenges, brutal weather, scarce food, and the constant threat of predators. Yet, they not only survive, they thrive. They are a living embodiment of the strength and beauty of life in the face of adversity. Their journey across the frozen landscapes is a reminder that even in the harshest corners of our planet, life finds a way to endure, to connect, and to flourish. The beating heart of the Arctic echoes in the hoofbeats of the migrating herd. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of the reindeer. If you were inspired by their story of survival, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more incredible stories from the natural world.